As technology continues to redefine mobility and independence, electric wheelchairs have evolved far beyond basic functionality. The best models of 2026 blend smart engineering, comfort, and cutting-edge features to deliver a smoother, safer, and more empowering ride. Whether you're seeking a lightweight travel companion, an all-terrain powerhouse, or a high-end luxury chair packed with innovation, this year's lineup offers something for everyone. In this guide, we've handpicked the top 15 best electric wheelchairs for 2026, each designed to give you freedom, confidence, and performance like never before. XSTO X12. The XSTO X12 is a striking example of where mobility tech is headed. Engineered as an all-terrain electric wheelchair, it uses a hybrid track and wheel system that lets it climb stairs and tackle uneven surfaces with surprising confidence. Built-in AI handles balance, obstacle detection, and mode switching. According to early sources, it achieves a top speed near 12 kilometers per hour and range around 35 kilometers. The price is rumored to sit around $9,800 US. For those needing real-world freedom beyond ramps, the X12 feels like smart adventure wrapped in a wheelchair. Lifehub AVEST Launch Edition. The Lifehub AVEST Launch Edition is an audacious blend of mobility and ambition. It's built to ascend stairs and even ride escalators, thanks to its track and wheel hybrid system. Its center of gravity control and obstacle sensors help keep the ride steady and safe. In prototype form, it's claimed to reach slopes around 40 degrees and travel up to 40 kilometers on a single charge. It retails at $10,000 to $10,300, limited to just 50 units. For those who dream of real independence, forging paths where ramps end, the AVEST feels like the future arriving early. Magic Mobility XT4. The Magic Mobility XT4 is a beast built for adventure. With 4 700-watt motors, a set of knobby off-road tires, and patented front and rear independent suspension, it stays planted over mud, sand, snow, or roots. 2 115 amp-hour batteries give it a real-world range of up to approximately 19 miles per charge, and it reaches a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour, 6.2 miles per hour, dropping to 5 kilometers per hour when elevated. The base frame holds users up to 182 kilograms, reduced when tilt-lift functions are added. Measuring about 1,000 millimeters long by 700 millimeters wide, weight starts around 185 kilograms. Price for a standard model starts near £16,950 in the UK. JBHD11. The JBHD11 is a portable electric power chair that feels like liberation in compact form. It unfolds to about 39.4 inches by 25.4 inches by 37.8 inches and folds down to 25.4 inches by 14.2 inches by 30.3 inches, making travel and storage less of a headache. Powered by twin 250-watt brushless motors and twin 24-volt 6 amp-hour lithium batteries, it pushes to approximately 6 kilometers per hour top speed, with a driving range of around 20 kilometers on a full charge. The chair weighs roughly 27 to 30 kilograms, including batteries, and can carry a user load up to 120 kilograms. As for price, standard listings are in the ballpark of $1,200 to $1,500 US FOB for basic models. What truly wins me over is how the D11 pairs lightweight convenience with serious usability. It doesn't feel like a compromise, more like a smart balance. ELFIGO Mobility Ultra-Lite Carbon Fi 2. The ELFIGO Ultra-Lite Carbon Fi 2 redefines what portable freedom means. Weighing just 10.8 kilograms without the battery, its carbon fiber frame is feather-light, yet surprisingly sturdy. It folds in 3 simple steps like a manual chair, and the battery is detachable, great for travel or swapping in a spare. With a 6Ah battery, you get up to 10 kilometers of range. Upgrade to 10Ah, and you're looking at 15 kilometers. Top speed is a modest 6 kilometers per hour, and it supports users up to 130 to 136 kilograms, depending on variant. Price starts around $2,200 for the base version in Singapore. It's not just a chair, it's liberation in carbon fiber. ibot PMD. The ibot PMD is like nothing you've sat in before. It's a mix of robot, wheelchair, and promise. Using 4 powered drive wheels, plus 2 casters and gyroscopic balancing, it delivers multiple modes. Standard rolling, all-wheel drive for sand or curbs, balancing mode that lets you elevate and reach, even remote docking mode. It weighs about 242.5 pounds, approximately 110 kilograms, including batteries, with a top driving range of about 15.5 miles per charge. Pricing is steep, on the order of $20,000 to $25,000 when it was first introduced, putting it well above many standard power chairs. Using the ibot feels like having an extra limb. It gives back inches, confidence, moments you thought you'd missed. eFOLDi Navigator. The eFOLDi Navigator is a masterclass in lightweight freedom. Weighing just approximately 12.4 kilograms without the battery, about 14 kilograms with it, it folds in seconds and fits easily in a car boot. It can carry up to 135 kilograms, cruises at 4 miles per hour, and gives around 8 miles of range per charge. The chair is built with a magnesium alloy frame, has detachable battery, adjustable footrest, and both user joystick and attendant controls. Price in the UK is around £2,700. Riding it feels like reclaiming independence. Gone are the pains of lifting a heavy chair. It's not just mobility, it's dignity on the move. WHILL Model C2. The WHILL Model C2 feels like freedom wrapped in technology. It accommodates up to 300 pounds, moves at up to 5 miles per hour, and offers a real-world range of about 11.2 miles per charge. I love how it disassembles into modular parts. The heaviest chunk is approximately 42.8 pounds, making car trunk transport surprisingly easy. Its ultra-tight 29.9-inch turning radius and omnidirectional front wheels let you glide through tight indoor spaces. Price sits around $4,749 in many listings. For someone seeking a mix of portability, elegance, and smart features, the C2 feels like a premium, but justified, mobility companion. Scewo Brother. The Scewo Bro is nothing short of revolutionary in the electric wheelchair world. Imagine effortlessly gliding up a flight of stairs. It climbs up to 30 steps per minute, each up to 20 centimeters in height, handles gradients up to 36 degrees, and features a seat height that rises from 45 to 87 centimeters. On firm ground, it reaches around 10 kilometers per hour and offers 25 to 35 kilometers of range depending on battery choice. The base price starts at €32,850, excluding price VAT, and real-world costs often increase with optional upgrades. While it's a steep investment, its daring mix of stair climbing, intelligent balance, and elegant design make it feel like a mobility companion rather than just a wheelchair. WHILL Model F. The WHILL Model F is a sleek, travel-friendly electric wheelchair that blends tech and mobility. It supports up to 250 pounds, tops out at 3.7 miles per hour, and delivers a driving range of around 12.4 miles on a single charge. It folds in under 3 seconds and weighs under 53 pounds, making it easy to stow in a car or bring aboard flights. With a turning radius of 30.7 inches, it maneuvers tightly indoors. Price is around $2,500 depending on region and extras. It feels like a modern, stylish companion, more than just a mobility device. Ideal for those who want freedom, portability, and smart control in one package. Robooter E80. The Robooter E80 immediately impressed me with its compelling blend of portability and performance. Weighing only 15.9 kilograms, 35 pounds, yet supporting up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, it folds neatly in seconds, ideal for travel or everyday use. It reaches a top speed of about 6 kilometers per hour, approximately 3.7 miles per hour, and offers a range of 18 kilometers, 12 amp-hour battery, to 25 kilometers, 20 ampere-hour battery. With smart app control, IPX5 water resistance, and a clever two-step folding frame, it truly feels like a futuristic companion. Priced around £3,595, it's on the premium side. But if you prioritize a slim, high-tech mobility partner, it's a worthwhile investment. Daihatsu e-sneaker. The Daihatsu e-sneaker feels like a thoughtful companion for active seniors, combining comfort, visibility, and real-world usability. It reaches up to 6 kilometers per hour, travels about 12 kilometers on a single charge, and its high seating gives a viewpoint similar to a bicycle for increased safety. Its design includes large pneumatic tires to manage small steps, up to 7.5 centimeters, a removable lithium battery for easier charging, and safety features that slow the device on slopes or turns. Price starts at $2,800 to $3,000 depending on conversion. For the base model, it's not cheap, but if you want dignity, mobility, and a feeling of independence, the e-sneaker truly delivers. Karma EVO Altus. The Karma EVO Altus feels like the future arrived in a chair. It offers sit-to-stand, recline-to-stand, lay-to-stand, and tilt-to-stand functions, making posture transitions graceful and empowering. Its ultra-low seat height of 415 millimeters aids ease of transfers even under tables. On a front-wheel drive chassis with up to 80 ampere-hour batteries, it delivers a range near 54 kilometers, approximately 33 miles. Speed tops around 12 kilometers per hour, with a user weight limit of 136 kilograms. Pricing starts around £22,198 in the UK, or £22,500, including VAT. Though high in cost, its blend of mobility, posture support, and independence make it feel worth the investment. Magic Mobility Extreme X8. The Magic Mobility Extreme X8 feels like a beast tamed for the wild, rugged outdoors. Its 4x4 drive uses 4 independent 700-watt motors, one per wheel, delivering a robust top speed of approximately 6.2 miles per hour, 10 kilometers per hour, and strong torque to climb curbs and rough terrain. The chair can carry up to 400 pounds, approximately 182 kilograms, dropping to approximately 340 pounds if you add seating lifts or tilt functions. It features off-road 14-inch pneumatic knobby tires, a base width approximately 700 millimeters and length approximately 1,030 millimeters, and a 70 ampere-hour battery, with an optional 90 ampere-hour for more range. Base price hovers around $19,600 in the US for the no-power seating version, and about $12,495 to £15,949 ex-Chloris VAT in the UK for standard spec. It's definitely a premium chair, but for anyone craving real off-road freedom, it hits the sweet spot between ruggedness and comfort. Karma Morgan. The Karma Morgan M is a serious step up for anyone wanting comfort, power, and versatility. It's a mid-wheel drive electric wheelchair with a 6-wheel independent suspension that handles bumps and uneven terrain with ease. The chair supports up to 136 kilograms user weight, offers a range of about 27 kilometers with 50 amp-hour batteries, and up to 49 kilometers with upgraded 80 amp-hour ones, and can reach speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour. Its narrow frame, 600mm width, lets it slip through doorways and tight indoor spaces. Price starts around £5,125 in the UK, depending on spec and VAT relief. If you rely on your chair daily, this one feels like an investment you see and feel every moment, not just another mobility aid.